Hi guys, it's Friendly Advice. I am going to show you how I do a stress-free party with having all sorts of cookers and gadgets that help me keep everything hot so I don't have to worry and I don't have to run around when the guests are here, okay? So here we go. This is the way I use my slow cookers. So I have cooked everything this morning and I have like this chole ready. I have this aloo curry totally boiling. Look at that. Boiling, it's ready to go. So this is the way I party because I have my air fryer where I put all my pakora and samosa. I have my rice ready. And then this is the prasad for the puja. I have my chai going, which I'm going to put in my thermoses. So it's ready to go. I have one more curry ready in this slow cooker right here. So these are tricks you can use to get yourself ready for the party for the holidays. And look at this. I have this buffet set, which is very useful for me. So I put all the pakoras in there. So they are nice and hot. And samosa. So they are very, very hot. Okay, so I am going to keep them hot. And the juice boxes are, and drinks are here. And all the plates and everything is there. So this is how you can prepare. Thank you for watching and sharing my video with your family and friends. Thank you.